Okay, so I'm basically done. I got one more track to go. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay. So I have one more track to go. This is my last track right here. But before I do that last track, I'm going to put one more track just right here. So once I do my last track, I'm going to have all that space right there. And before I put my last track on, I'm going to do my closure piece. So it's pretty late. I think it's about 12:40 something. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is wake up, put my closure on first. I'm going to wake up, put my closure on first. And then what I'm going to do is put my track, and then I'm going to do my last piece. And then I'm going to get going on my invisible part. So I guess I'll make that a separate video with a styling video also. But this is how it's looking so far. All my 16 inches gone and all my 12 inches gone. So what I'm basically going to do is start up on a 10-inch tomorrow. But it's really, really thick. You really, really can. It doesn't feel like a weave. Let me show you the side. Here's the side. If somebody was to go like this, you won't feel like any bumps or anything unless they like dig. But if they just go like this, you won't feel any bumps. It's really nice and smooth. And as you can see, it's like it has a little layer to it just because I did a 16 and a 12 inch. My 16 inch starts right here. Then my 12 inch is the rest. But yeah, tomorrow I'm pretty tired, so I'm just gonna take a shower right now and go to sleep. And tomorrow morning just finish it. So I will see you guys in the morning. Bye bye. Okay, so now it's time for me to attach my closures. You guys can wait. Can you be quiet? What? Okay, so now I'm about to attach my centerpiece. Where is it gonna go? But yeah, as you guys can see, I fixed it. I opened it up and then I pressed it down. So it's all good now. So what I'm about to do now is just flip everything up. Rihanna, be quiet. Okay, so I'm just gonna clip it just like this. You broke it. Okay. So now it has like a you can see some where some of the net is left out. I'm gonna see where I'm placing it.
I was with the book.
Okay, so I'm finally done with all the sewing parts and I got my closure down, but I really don't know if it's hiding my tracks well, so I'm gonna have to get somebody to overlook it for me. But here's my closure right here. Okay, and this is all the hair. So let's see, hold on. Okay, so remember my nape piece is a 12-inch and that's in the back. This is it right here. And then this is my 12-inch and my regular 12-inch is right here. Then my 10-inch is right here. Yeah, no. My 10-inch is right here. So 10, 12, 16. And then right here, I have a couple of 10 and a 12. And it's like already doing the little swoop. But I like it because it's pretty thick. And but the only thing I'm going to have to do is just layer it. I'm going to keep the same length, but I'm just going to layer it because it's too thick. Like, it's just too much hair. And it's heavy. So, let me show you guys the back. Here's the back. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is just gel my part down. Just going to gel my part down with some Ampro Pro Style Black Gel, which is what I always use. You guys really don't have to comment below about growth protectant. I know what it is. I just don't want to use it. Okay, I'm not going to use growth protectant for like a little part like this. It really doesn't make any sense. But so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now, is just gel it down, and I'll be right back once I start my part. Okay, so I'm getting pretty tired, not to mention I have work in 2 hours, but I'm still not done. I think I got about 2 more tracks, which is like nothing, but I'm still tired and I keep stopping. Y'all know how I do. It takes me like forever to do my hair because I get tired and I'm such a lazy person. But yeah, since I have work in 2 hours, it looks like I'm just gonna be wearing it in a ponytail, maybe like this ponytail, just like this, and go to work. And tomorrow, since tomorrow is New Year's Eve, I have to clip it tomorrow because I plan on going out. I think I do. But I just wanted to show you guys. My camera had died, so I tried to wait a little bit, but I really didn't want to stop, so I just kept going. Here's my part. It's very, very tight. Little space, that's all I really need. But yeah, here's my part, and you can see I got like this open space right there. And so I'm just going to close that up really quickly, and then I'll be back to you guys. Because this isn't really a tutorial, it's just showing you guys how I did this hairstyle. Because y'all know if it was a tutorial, I would be talking the whole way. But since it's not, I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing, and I'll be back. And as you can see, like on this side a little bit, it has like little waves because I was playing with my straighteners with it, which is pretty cute, but I don't have time to do that for my whole head because I gotta go to work. So I'll be right back.